sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright.
It's Tori. Oh, it's good. So, a quick little thing. I cut my hair like 4 inches. It used to be down to my butt, and now it's to my titas, so like right here. And I love it. So, I might even get it a little bit shorter. I don't know. I just really like it. But anyways, that's nothing about this video. So today's video is me reorganizing, decluttering, and setting up my new makeup storage, and I'm so freaking excited. I've had this video planned since I ordered my drawers, and I've wanted these drawers for months and months and months. And no, sadly they're not the Alex 9 drawers, but 1, I think those are overpriced, and 2, I don't have enough room for them, and 3, they just seem like too much for my collection at the moment. But I'm so excited for this video. I got my drawers off of Amazon. So I know this is gonna take a really long time. So what I'm gonna do is show you everything before, set up the drawers, and then I'll show you guys as I'm organizing, because if I were to like show you the whole thing, this video would be way too long. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't mind like my face and everything. I just have mascara on. I just got back. I'm talking too fast. I just got back from school like about 40 minutes ago. So, but yeah, I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started, babies. Alright, so this is my current situation. So I have main of my makeup up there. I have some skincare in there and more skincare in there. And then I have like palettes and stuff I don't use in there. So that's that. And then the big box is right here. I don't want to show you guys my address or anything. But yeah, that's that. And then I'll show you where I'm going to put this and all that shazazz. This is my vanity right now. Don't mind my drink. I'm gonna get thirsty. But this is like my everyday makeup, and almost all of my palettes I like are right there. So like I'm gonna move all of this and organize it and all of that. And where I'm putting my thing is gonna be right here by my books and stuff like that. So right here I have a bunch of like trash and boxes and stuff, and like some new stuff I have right there. But most of this is like old boxes and stuff I just haven't gotten rid of yet. So that's where like that is gonna all go. And yeah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's all built. That took me probably about 35 to 40 minutes, but the reason is at first I couldn't really get the hang of it, but then I got the hang of it and we're all good now. So I'm gonna start with like skincare, but I quickly just wanted to let you guys know that I bought some little containers off of Amazon. So there's 2 really long ones, 2 medium-sized ones, and 2 small ones. So these are probably gonna be mainly for like lips or like eye pencils and stuff like that. But yeah, so I have my 2 things of like hair care and skincare, and I'm just gonna honestly throw all of those into the very bottom drawer, and that's just gonna be that. So like it's not really gonna be much decluttering and stuff, because it's just like samples and stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll slowly progress up and up and up. guys, so I have everything organized and I'm gonna show you like what's in each drawer and everything, and then I think around like Christmas time or January I'm gonna do another makeup collection, so like once a year and everything. So yeah, let's just see what I did. So my desk now looks like this. I'm gonna move my brushes over, don't mind these, I need to clean all of these. But I have hair stuff in there. I'm gonna put my clean beauty blenders in there after I clean them. This drawer has all of my like powders, concealers, primers. This has bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. And then this one has eye stuff. The bottom drawer is currently empty. I'm not sure if I'll put something in there. And then for over here, this is what the top looks like. I just put my perfumes, jewelry box, stuff like that in it. So the first drawer has foundations, primers, and concealers are right there, as you can tell. And there's also face powders in there. These are a little hard to close, I've noticed. You kind of have to like push them up. Okay, this one has bronzers, blushes, highlighters. This one has face palettes. I don't know if I'll keep it like this or not, but I guess we'll find out. This has other eyeshadow palettes I don't really use. Like just eye stuff, I guess. This has lippies in it. This drawer has all of my palettes I use a lot. I might end up putting some of these in the other drawer. I don't know. I guess it'll just kind of depend. Okay, the next drawer has lashes and glitters in it. So yeah, that's like a lot of stuff. This drawer has sprays, makeup wipes, just kind of some random things. This drawer is empty, so like eventually when I get more makeup, I'll probably move everything like down and stuff. And then the very last drawer has a bunch of skincare and hair care and stuff like that in it. Last but not least, I have this whole Ulta box full of decluttered stuff. So I have some like samples that I'll never use, eyeliners, this, which is way too dark and crappy, highlighters, lip stuff, just stuff I don't use and I know I won't use, or I just know it's old. I just have all of this, so I'll probably let like my mom or sister go through and pick the things that they want, and then I'll throw everything else away. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's everything, my declutter, organizing, and all of that stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. It did take quite a while, but my room looks so much better now. All I have left to do is put my light up there, and then everything will be perfect. So I love you all so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.
Say,